Hi guys, today we will going to do unboxing of this vlog kit! Sony Vlogcam Zv-1G. Today we just bought it at Yodobashi. So Papa will try to unbox this new vlogcam. Dun dun dun! Jagambare Papa. Please do that for me. I want to see your face while doing that one, Papa.
This is for mom.
This is for you?
Mama.
For Mama, arigato. But when you bought that one, you said we should start vlogging together. Don't forget your promise, okay? Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so what's inside the box is first one. What's this one? Grip ka na. That grip. That handle. Then extra Sony battery. And that digital camera Zv-1. Okay, let's do the unboxing, Papa, one by one. That man explained that to you before you buy. Did you remember what did he said? Initially, we were planning to buy GoPro, but Hubby asked that salesman, what is the difference of GoPro with the Sony Vlogcam? Then after he said everything, finally Papa decided to buy this one. Anyway, somehow it's good. And I think since that is Sony cam, camera, video quality, and everything will be good. Let's start that. Papa, try to open. Papa, let's try. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. So, for this camera box, what do we have? So, it includes USB. What's this? Oh, that microphone. This is microphone, right? Microphone. For the camera box. Then the camera. Then another battery. Papa, open this one. Ta-da!
Contact with this monitor, please.
Comment. Did they give this one? Gomene, I touch already.
Oh my god.
Please swipe.
So I tell you.
Sorry. Hi then. Camera protection. What else, Papa?
Anyway, I need to put this on first.
Okay.
Yeah, finger.
So after putting the battery, put the memory card. Slide going out. Oh my god, how to open that one? Pushing ka na. Oh! Nandayo? Kawaii. Oh! Kakkui. let's open the grip. Papa, that grip is connected by Bluetooth, right? Then, that grip, just connect by Bluetooth to that camera. Then we can use wireless also, ne? Just put that camera on somewhere, then we can bring that grip, then as remote control. So, we can take family picture. So many starting from now on. Yatta. Ja. Let's open. What's that?
This is possible.
Thank God. Handle. Ano ka? Case included. Wow! This one. Papa, try to. Can you open, Papa? I cannot open. So, tripod style. One handle also, you can. You need to put battery. So dani. That is remote control, so we need to put battery. And then, whew. Hi there. You can use it like this. Then you can use it as tripod. Then as remote control. Then, Papa, how to? That man said something about this one, right? Nani? Camera direction by pressing this button on the side. So you can tilt the camera up and down. And then he teach so many direction how to use that one. So many ways. So you can use this Vlogcam by this side, by this way. One handle, monopod style, ne Papa. And then another way, if you want to vlog for yourself, if you want to vlog alone, just push that button, then turn that camera like that. So you can focus on yourself. And then, if there's no one to hold that one, you can use that tripod style. Ne, Papa? Tripod style, Papa. Show me. Tripod style. So this Vlogcam can take photo, can make movie, can do a lot of things.
This is
That
now
face
focus
detection.
on my hand, ne? After that.
Start to focus on your face. That camera is so fast, right?
See?
Sige.
Like this. Uy.
I think that's the one they're talking about. This one. It's written here. I think that is what that salesman is saying. This one. 24 to 70 mm. f1.8 to 2.8. That camera detection is so fast. Sigay. Looking forward for more travel vlogs with this cam. And Papa's vlog. Ta-da! So this is how Sony Vlogcam looks like. So simple. But it's cute. Yeah. Wow! Don't put my face so near. Papa, don't forget your promise. We should vlog together. Okay? Papa, don't forget what you said. Ni. So, please look forward for upcoming vlogs of me and Hubby. Kembali.